You can't assume. That's the number one mistake I see people making. It's assuming or guessing how much they're eating. Hello champs, I'm Nate Mlambo, and today I'm excited to share a special video with you. I want to help you build your personal roadmap to a new you, a you that's leaner, stronger, and overflowing with energy. This is more than just a quick fix. We're talking about making changes that last. So let's start by understanding how your body works. It's a finely tuned machine. And to change it, you need to know the basics. So let's start decoding fat loss versus muscle gain. First up, fat loss. So it's simple on paper, burn more calories than you take in. That creates a caloric deficit, leading your body to burn stored fat for energy. Simple. Now, muscle gain is about more than just the appearance, how you look. It's more than just being ripped, chiseled. It's about making your body more efficient at burning calories, even when you're resting through resistance training. So you have to lift heavy weights, well, at least progressively, right? So when you challenge your muscles, you not only build strength, but you also increase your metabolic rate. This is your internal temperature, core temperature, to manage all the different processes in your body. So breathing, getting your blood to circulate around your body, all the sort of systems that are inside your body, digestion, all those systems are considered metabolic rate, right? Just to keep you alive, that rate, the amount of energy that you use to keep you alive. So this means your body actually burns more calories all day, every day. The more muscle mass you have, the more calories you will burn. So you need more muscle on your body to burn more calories. Okay, that's good news. And let's not forget about the hormones. So they play a massive role here. So your test and growth hormones help you build more muscle, while cortisol, also known as a stress hormone, can increase fat storage. But don't worry, we'll go over how you can manage these hormones more effectively. So to create a roadmap for yourself, setting goals for fitness is crucial. So your goals have to be specific. I need to lose 20 pounds. I need to lose 30 pounds. That's an example. Or I need to fit into these jeans. That's an example. And then they need to be measurable. You need to have the jeans to try on every single time. You need to have a tape measure to measure yourself. You need to have a scale to weigh yourself, and they need to be achievable. They need to be achievable in the sense that they need to be realistic according to all the different factors. If it's a weight goal that you're trying to lose weight and you weigh 180 pounds right now, but you want to lose 60 pounds, is 60 pounds achievable? It might be achievable, but is it healthy for you? Like, what's the purpose behind that, right? Which ties into being relevant. You need to be setting goals that are relevant to you, that are realistic. Like, what is realistic? What is healthy as well, right? So you need to factor in those things. You might have an aesthetic goal, but is it a healthy aesthetic goal that you can sustain, right? So these are the things that you need to factor in. And then you need to have a specific time period that you need to achieve this goal by. So this is being time bound. So you need to have a specific date that you're like, I need to reach this goal by X date, right? So factoring in everything else that we've just talked about. So these goals aren't just about the scale. They can be about how much you lift. They can also be about how you feel. Do you feel stronger? Do you feel more energetic and confident? So we'll celebrate every small victory together, whether it's choosing healthier meals or increasing your strength. Every step forward is going to be progress. So to help you get started, here are 3 practical steps that you can take action immediately. So first thing, begin with simple exercises. So start with basic strength training exercises that you can do at home or in the gym. Number 2, start tracking your food. Use an app like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer or MacroFactor or a food diary if you like to do it, kind of the old school way, to start actually understanding what and how much you're eating. This will help you actually manage the calorie intake effectively, because you can't assume. That's the number one mistake I see people making. It's assuming or guessing how much they're eating. They'll tell you, oh, I don't even eat that much. When I hear that, I'm like, how much you eat. You need to know your numbers, okay? And then you need to get enough sleep. Recovery. This is number 3. You need to get enough sleep. So recovery is just as important as your workouts. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Make sure that you're well rested. This will help you manage your cortisol. And remember, consistency is key. Stick with your plan. It can get boring, but the magic is in sticking with the plan. Adjust it as needed and keep pushing forward and progressing. So, thanks for watching. I hope this video inspires you to start your fitness journey and make sustainable changes. If you need more help to get you started, I have a free program you can download now. Click the link in my bio to grab one. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your progress in the comments below. Let's keep growing together and see you in the next video. Peace out.